Hi, my name is Sunil Fernandez and I'm the managing editor for goodreturns.in. It was a terrible day today for the markets. In the morning, the markets began on a wild upswing and gained significant amount by almost 750 points in early morning trade. In fact, the Sensex crossed the 39,000 mark to hit 39,063 points as a high of the day. But it gave up all those gains of 750 points and in fact ended the day lower by almost 153 points. So it ended almost 1,000 points lower from the peak levels. What led to losses really was reports that there have been some cases of the coronavirus in India as well. This kind of dampened sentiments, and we saw the markets ending the day significantly lower. Now, Asia was very strong. We had the Asian markets really gaining. The Shanghai Composite, in fact, gained as much as 3%. The South Korean Kospi was also up, and we also had some of the other Asian markets which ended the day higher. So India was really a weak among the Asian pack. In fact, it was even weak when compared to Europe, which was trading with gains when the Indian markets closed. Even the US Dow futures were pointing to high opening. So really it was the Indian markets that were weakest among the lot. The index, the Nifty ended the day almost 69 points lower at 11,132 points. The Sensex ended the day at 38,144 points, almost 153 points lower. Let's tell you what led the losses today. Yes Bank closed almost 9% lower. We had SBI almost ending the day with 5% cut. Tata Steel, GAIL, Hindalco, all among the losers. In fact, the metal pack, which was trading significantly high in the early morning trade, gave up all those gains and ended with losses. The IT pack was really strong today in trade, and we had HCL Tech among the gainers. The other nifty gainers were Eicher Motors, Nestle, ICICI Bank, and Infosys. So really it was not a very good day. The markets fell for the 7th consecutive trading session. In early morning, it felt like we might end the day with significantly higher and close to the 39,000 levels. But it was a complete anticlimax, and the markets gave up all those gains. The sentiment indeed looks weak for the time being, and it's a matter of time, it looks like, when the Nifty will break that 11,000 mark and fall below that 11,000 mark. Let's tell you some of the stocks that were in the news today. The stocks from the auto pack were in the news because of the sales numbers that were reported for the month of February. So we had Maruti, which gained despite sales falling almost 1.1% when compared to the previous month of the last year. So a year-on-year comparison shows that Maruti sales were down 1.1%. Mahindra & Mahindra, the stock ended the day higher despite the sales down by a whopping 42%. The shares even hit a 52-week low in intraday trade, but ended the day with gains. We had Tata Motors, whose shares fell. The sales, in fact, for the company rose 3.8%. The stock of TVS Motors also fell despite the sales being down by just 1.3%. Bajaj Auto again fell, and the sales for the company were down 10%. In fact, the entire auto pack today was weak in trade. Hero MotoCorp also dropped and hit a new 52-week low. The trend for the markets really seems bearish. It was the 7th consecutive day of decline, and we expect more weakness in the next few days. Though for long-term investors, it might just be a good time to nibble into stocks and to buy high-quality stocks. A stock like Reliance Industries was up 2% but ended the day almost 1% lower. So we really saw some selling towards the last 1 hour of trade, as the Dow futures gave up some gains, and also the markets across Europe kind of were giving up gains. So this led to some fall in the last 1 hour, and we ended the day lower. That's all for me from the market roundup. We hope to see you tomorrow with another market roundup. Thank you.